What to do if you get a warning from YouTube. In this tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you everything step by step on how I remove the warning that I got from YouTube. Okay, so I said it in my previous video. If you have not watched that video, just go back and watch it. I said it in my previous video that YouTube gave me a warning for the first time as a new YouTuber, and I want to show you what I did step by step on how I removed the warning. So guys, just stick around. You don't want to miss out on this, okay? I share my experience here. Okay, so guys, before we dive into the video, my name is Nonye and this is Nonye Tutor Zone. On this channel, we create tutorial videos on how to make money online and YouTube growth tips. If that's the kind of video that you like, do well to subscribe, press that notification bell, okay, so that you'll be the first person to get notified each time I post a video like this. So guys, without further ado, let's just go straight into the practical aspects. Okay, first thing first, you need to go to the email they sent to you and you see review and take action. Okay, but before you click on review and take action, there are some things you need to first of all to do. First thing first, you need to read the policy. Okay, you can see this place they say read policy. You go ahead, you click on it and read their policy and their community guidelines so that you will understand the reason why they actually gave you that warning or why they removed your content from YouTube. Okay, so once you have come to a better understanding, because I don't want this video to be too long, I won't be clicking on it for us to start reading their community guidelines. So on your own, just go ahead and do so, read their community guideline, have a better understanding. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on review and take action. But before you click on review and take action, there are two ways you can actually remove the warning that they gave you. Okay, so the first thing first is for you to appeal, and you can only appeal if you think that they have made a mistake. Okay, if you think maybe you didn't commit any offense, you have finished reading their community guidelines and you see that your video didn't commit any offense, then you can go ahead and appeal to them, telling them that your video is okay and is a mistake and so on and so forth. Okay, you go ahead and appeal. But after you have gone through their community guidelines and you see that truly, okay, that there's something that you did wrong, so what you need to do is to go ahead and take their training. So these are the two ways you can actually use to remove it. Either you appeal or you take their training. You get? So at this point, we're going to click on review and take action. Okay, so once you click on review and take action, it will take you to the next page. Okay, so once it brings you here, just go ahead and scroll up. Okay, now it will bring you to where you either click on take training or you click on appeal. So for me, I'm going to click on take training to remove it. Okay, because my content actually failed their policy, so I have to click on take training. But if yours didn't default anything, you can go ahead and click on appeal and appeal to them. So for me, I'm going to go ahead, click on the take training. Okay, so once I click on the take training, it will take me to the next page. Okay, so once it brings me down to the next page, so let's just wait for it to load. Okay, it takes a little bit time, so it will bring me to this place. Okay, so once it brings you here, the next thing you just need to do is to go through their training. So this is where the training starts. Okay, you just have to read. Okay, read the contents under harmful or dangerous. Go ahead, read everything in this contents, because it's what you read from this page that is what they will use to ask you question. So the training is more or less question and answer. It's just for you to learn their community guidelines. They'll just give you a context for you to read, then they will now ask you question and you just choose the correct answer. Okay, so that's just how it's done. So even if you fail the answer, you still go back and repeat it until you get the right answer. Do you get? So that's just the training. Okay, so let's go ahead and scroll up so that you can see the question and the answer. So this is it. They will now ask you, after you have finished reading the whole context, they will now ask you, is this a violation? Click on yes, it is, or you click on no, it isn't. So just go ahead and click the right one. For me, I click yes, it is. Once I click yes, it is, it will tell me whether I'm correct or not.
you can see that's right. You can see, meaning that I am correct. Okay, so once you get the right answer, they will tell you that's right, and they will move you to the next page where you will read another context and answer another answer. So this is how you will do it until you reach the very very last. Okay, the last that they will not tell you, you can see nice work, you have completed the training. Okay, so as you can see, you have completed the training. So they will ask you, they will say what is next. Your warning will expire on July 23, 2025. That's for me. Okay, they will not tell you when your own warning will expire. So for me, my warning will expire July 23, 2025. You can see. So that's it, but it does not stop me from posting because it's my first time. So once they give you warning for the first time as a new YouTuber, they will still allow you to post, they will still allow you to do whatever you want to do on YouTube. Okay, but the warning will just be showing on your YouTube channel until the time that they have given you elapse. Once it elapse, they will remove the warning. Okay, so but you make sure that you will not fail any other policy again within these 90 days, because the warning will be removed within 90 days. Okay, so make sure you don't fail any other one until your warning expires, because if you fail another one, if they give you another this thing, that means you will not be able to post on YouTube for the period of 90 days. They will give you a strike, you will not be able to post. So you have to be careful. Okay, at this point, if you have any question, go ahead and say it in the comment section. I will be right there waiting to answer all your questions. Okay, and if you're having any challenge on this YouTube space, okay, go ahead and also say it in the comment section, and in my next video I will create a video about it for you. Okay, so at this point, if you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Support your girl, click the subscribe button, okay, and give this video a very big like. Okay, click on that thumbs up button, give it a thumbs up so that YouTube will recommend it to more people. Okay, so guys, also share my video so that it's going to reach to a wider audience. Okay, thank you guys for watching. I love you guys. I'll be waiting for you guys in the comment section, and also stick with my channel, okay, for the next video that will be coming up. You don't want to miss it. Okay, bye bye guys, I love you.